This is our boy William. William just arrived a few days ago. We believe that he is a Beagle Basset Hound mix. He looks very much like a beagle. Look at that beagle face. And he acts very much like a beagle, but he has have a longer body. He is probably about 35 pounds. He keeps following me around. And he's a real love bug. He's very sweet. He's a bit of an independent. I can't say he's one to be jumping up on your lap. But he certainly does come around for lots of cuddles and kisses and action. He likes the company of other dogs. He is house trained. He's crate trained. He's a quiet boy in the house. He's well mannered. He's not too bad on the leash. Needs a little bit of work. His worst problem is that he needs a little bit of work when we're eating. That he wants to make sure that our food is good enough. So he's a big help to me cooking in the kitchen. So I have just tied him to a post in the kitchen so that he's on a leash but with me, and that seems to solve that problem. And he's learning. He's a really sweet boy. He's going to be going to a foster home this afternoon, so we'll know a whole lot more about him. But I can tell you, he's a real gem. You would really enjoy his company. He sleeps by himself. He goes in his crate all by himself, and that's where he sleeps all night long, by himself in the living room. So he's got some nice traits that I think someone would appreciate. Okay, William. That's a good boy. Yes. Thank you so much, dear.